Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, we have designed an application for PG management. So this is a comprehensive application designed specifically for PG managers where the entire management of your PG property will become significantly easier. It facilitates automatic rent collection, smart tenant onboarding, real-time tracking of how many rooms are occupied, and efficient experience management. You can accomplish all of this through our application. Here, I'll log in by entering my user ID and password. You can now see my dashboard screen here. So this is my main dashboard for Confidence PG. If I have another property, I can select it here. In this specific paying guest property, I am currently generating a total monthly revenue amounting to 431. And by conducting a comparison with the previous revenue figures, I can clearly observe the significant increase and all the relevant key performance indicators right here. You'll see the number of active rooms, the occupancy rate, and any pending payments here. All rent activities carried out by people will be shown here. And here's the revenue overview. Here, I'll see the total revenue for the entire month. Okay, if I'm on another page in my room and there are 15 rooms right behind me, then I need all their details. I can view all the details right here, such as the rent for each individual. Not only am I able to see this information, but I can also add a new room if I choose to. Furthermore, I have the option to edit them here. If rooms are being vacated, I can declare them for maintenance. Here, I have three distinct options available: maintenance, available, and occupied. Let's say I click on the next option. This here is the booking option. Here, you can see that this is specifically for both future and past bookings. It shows you how many bookings are currently available, how many upcoming bookings you have scheduled, and all the other relevant details are displayed right here. If I use the filter through it, I can find all the individuals here, along with their contact details, room numbers, and all other necessary information. Here, if a person is making a payment using cash, I can come to this section and process that payment. Similarly, I can also cancel a booking or delete an existing booking. So this is the calendar view right here, and this is the table view as you can see. Now let's proceed to click on the calendar view. On this calendar view, you'll be able to see how many rooms are currently occupied. You can clearly observe here that it's active, shown by the green mark. Since this is active, you can easily manage the entire process this way. Should you wish to add a new booking, you simply fill in the required information and proceed to add it. As you can observe here, for documentation purposes, we are collecting PAN cards, Aadhaar cards, and all other necessary details strictly in accordance with government guidelines. If there is a rent agreement and a photograph, those are also included. Now let's talk about payment collection. Here you can add payment collections. If you need to give a discount or handle other details along with the receipt number and the method used, all that information will be available here. To record, you can certainly do it in this particular way. And if you wish to select another available option, you can definitely do that too. This is the tenant-wise management system. And finally, there are settings for your email. You can specify after how many days you would like to send out SMS reminders. And if you wish to add your other properties along with their current availability to any PG listed website, you can conveniently do so directly from this section. Similarly, if the PG owner faces any difficulty or requires a specific technical feature, they can simply contact us through this platform and we will receive all the necessary details. This is precisely how our complete PG management system operates. So, thank you very much for watching. We'll meet again in a new video.